In this video, I'm going to go over AMA citation. AMA citation comes from the American Medical Association, and it's used by medical professionals and students to cite their sources and their references. So we'll start with in-text citation. You'll use in-text citations everywhere that you are referencing a particular article that you're using. And so everywhere that you cite an article or paraphrase or make quotations is where you're going to use your superscript numbers. And the numbers will come after the signal phrase. You'll see in the example below, it says, according to one study, the human diet plays a very important role in the prevention of cardiovascular disease. Where we mention the study is where we're going to include the superscript. And I want to show you how to do the superscript in Word and also in Google Docs. So in Word, you're going to have, here is my sentence. This is the study that I want to reference. You're going to add a 1, highlight the 1, and then click on the superscript button. And there's your superscript. In Google Docs, you're going to do something similar. You're going to add the 1, highlight the 1, go up to Format, Text, and click on your superscript. Each superscript is going to correspond with a number on your reference page. So you're going to list your references in the order that they appear in your paper. You're going to start with the author and the last name plus the first and middle initials. You're not going to include any commas in the name. Journal titles are going to be abbreviated according to the National Library of Medicine, and you can see the link that I have below. You can also do a quick Google search that just says Journal Abbreviations, National Library of Medicine, or Journal Abbreviations, AMA Citations, and you're going to find a link to this website. Article titles are formatted by sentence case, which means only the first word is capitalized, and also the first word after a colon is capitalized. Other information that you're going to need is the date of publication and page numbers. So here's a couple examples for you. In this first example, the name Domingo J, no commas. Then we have the article title, Influence of Cooking Processes on the Concentration of Toxic Metals and Various Organic Environmental Pollutants in Food, comma, a review of published literature. You see only influence and the A after the comma are capitalized. We then have our abbreviated journal title, and then we have our date of publication, 2011, and then we have our volume and issue number for that publication. And last, we have our page numbers for the article. In the second example here, you can see we have two authors, no commas in the name, only comma separating the two authors. Then we have our article title, again, only the first word is capitalized. Then our journal abbreviation, then our publication date, and this publication date also includes the month and the day of publication. We have our volume and issue number, and then the page numbers for where the article is found in that journal. If you need any help with your citations or finding resources, please reach out to a librarian. We are more than happy to help you. And I hope this video series was helpful to you. Thank you.